Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you missed the last video, go ahead and check it out. It's about this little fitness watch that I reviewed. Pretty nice little product, and it is about $5. Speaking of $5, this product right here, I got it Five Below, which is a shop that has things for $5 and less, and it is a remote control helicopter for $5. I almost don't believe it personally because it's remote control. I know you guys saw that little helicopter ball that I reviewed in a previous video and it had no control. This apparently has a controller and everything you need. It's rechargeable, all sorts of great stuff. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, here is our product and it is a remote control helicopter. It's got a whole remote control. You can see that it's gyro stabilized, 2-channel controller, infrared, lithium battery, 3.7 volts, all great stuff. It's a non-replaceable battery. Now it does come in multiple colors. There is a green, a blue, and a red. I thought the blue looked the most slick because it's a nice dark blue. Blue and black is a nice combination, along with gold and black, and you guys already know that I like gold and black. But unfortunately, they only had blue, so we're going to stick with this. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm going to use this little pen knife here again to open this thing up because there's little tape here at the ends. So we'll go ahead and cut that off. Alright, I can't wait to dive into this thing, guys. I'm actually extremely excited. I'm still amazed that you can get a remote control helicopter for a $5 price tag. And we're going to see if it's actually worth it. Okay, so you can see what you get in the box here. You get a little charging cable. It doesn't look too long, but I don't think you really need it to be that long. It goes from a standard USB to a small little pin connector. I'm sure you've seen bigger versions for laptops and stuff like that. Now let's go ahead and take out the helicopter, which seems to be made, you know, what you would expect for helicopters that you actually buy for upwards of $40 and whatnot. It's a decent construction. It's clearly got a little blade there for directional steering, and you can see the little gyro stabilizers on there. I'm sure these blades will spin opposite directions to keep it from twisting in the air like we saw with that helicopter ball. We've also got here our remote, which clearly needs to take some batteries. Of course, it's not going to come with batteries. It was $5. This looks like a trim button right there. That's always good to have, so that way if it does start twisting, you could trim it so that way it's nice and stable. What I see here is a thrust, and then I've got directional steering. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get forward and backward motion, which I feel like is kind of important, because who just wants to like go up in the air and land? Not me, but we'll see how it goes. So let's throw some batteries in here. Alright, so we're going to use this little pen multi-tool that I reviewed in another video because it's got a screwdriver on it. So we're going to open this thing up, see what kind of batteries it takes. Sweet. Alright, you can see it takes 3 AAA batteries. Perfect. That's the same amount of batteries that our toilet light took. So we're going to take them right out of that and we're going to stick them right into here because I feel like a helicopter is a little more exciting than a toilet light. So let's pop them in. Alright, it should be really simple. You just kind of pop them in. I do like the way that it's got little separators on there to keep them from getting too jumbled up. That's always a great thing. Let's just see if we're getting power. And we are. You can see that red indicator is where our power comes from. And these other two are where the infrared is transferred. So let's go ahead and screw our thing back on. Almost lost the screw there. You definitely don't want to lose the screw because it doesn't snap into place. Alright, sweet. So we've got our remote control. Everything seems to be working there. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with this helicopter. Okay, I think what this is right here is the sensor that actually picks up the infrared signal. Or maybe this might just be a light. I'm not even 100% sure. I'm trying to find the power button. We must find a power button. It's gotta be out here somewhere. I don't even see where it plugs in to charge. Oh, there's the charging port. Okay, that's a good start. But how does it turn on? Let's see if they give us instructions. Luckily, Five Below has nice English instructions. That's always good for me. Yep, you can see it does have trim control. On, off switch. Did I just Wow, I didn't see it. Alright, so the on-off switch is literally right here. Oh, it does have a light. Come on now. It's got a whole light on it. It's kind of like a police light. It switches from red to blue. Well, I think we done figured out everything we need to figure out. Wow. Okay. Let's just see really quick how this thing works, and then we'll give you guys a better view of it flying. Okay, so it works for sure. I'll tell you what, a lot more stable than that helicopter ball. Let's see if we can just get a little bit of airborne flight, and we do. Perfect. Let's give you guys a better view and take this thing on its maiden voyage. Alright guys, maiden voyage time. Turning on the remote. Let's lift off. Alright, let's just launch it up in the air. Okay guys, I am gonna try to fly it because it's basically just made to go forward. So I'm gonna have to use the directional controls of left and right to try and get this thing to turn around and fly around in view for you guys. I'm not sure how easy that's gonna be. Luckily, I've done this a few times, so we'll see. It's not that hard to control, guys. It's really not. Okay, I'm impressed. I really am impressed. You can see I just flew it around and landed it pretty darn nicely for a $5 helicopter. That's crazy. Let's give it another go. Alright, I'm going to try and land it right in front of here for you guys. Boom. Oh my goodness. It's actually not that hard to control. Of course, it'll take a little bit of practice, but it's pretty darn stable in the air. I'm impressed. $5. Wow. Just charged enough to make it function. Everything works great though. I am seriously impressed. I'm sure the flight time when fully charged is somewhere around probably about 5-10 minutes. Don't expect anything crazy. It's a $5 remote control helicopter, but I am so impressed the fact that it flies. It's got an LED light on it. Super simple. Once you get the hang of it, you can be flying this thing around your house without running into things, and that is very important. Very, very controllable. I was skeptical at first, but I am very impressed. For $5, you can get a helicopter that you can control. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video, it'll be up there. And if you want to check out the playlist with lots more products, it's right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.